What if we want to create an interactive menu that simulates pages using inline buttons? For example, if we have a main menu that looks like this, with a button that says See Fruits List, and upon clicking this button here, this entire message changes into this message that shows us a list of fruits. And it has a back button that brings us back to the menu. So upon clicking this button here, the entire message here changes back into this. Now there is two ways we can do this. The first way would be to edit the original text message, and you can do it by using methods like edit message text or one of the edit message methods here. The second way would be to delete the original message here and to send a new message, which is this. The second way of deleting the original message and sending a new message is better because the message will always appear at the top as the most recent message that is sent. It also gives us more flexibility knowing that we can send a different type of message. For example, if let's say the main menu was a text message, we could create a button at the bottom that leads us to a photo or a location, since we don't have to conform to what the original message type was. As compared to using one of the edit message text, which we have to use either one of these methods here, which gives us less flexibility. Now let us create this example in Visual Studio's code. Head over to our code and we'll edit this to main menu. We also want to change this button here to See Fruits List, and we give it a callback data of fruits. We also want to create a second button for See Meats List. So we change this to meats and this to meats. Save the file. Now we have to create the callback handler for fruits. So copy this and paste it at our action method. And we want to delete the original message. And to do that, we have to use the cts.delete message method. Now when we click the button in the first message that was sent, the context will be sent to the actions method, where we will be able to delete the original message using delete message. Then we can send the new message, which is our fruits list. So we'll change this to list of fruits. We have apples, oranges, and pears. We also want to remove one of the buttons below, and this will be back to menu. This is for our back button, and we give it a callback data of menu. We also have to create a callback query handler for our menu. So what I'm going to do is copy this actions method, paste it below, copy the menu, paste it below as well. And we want to get rid of this message because it has to be the same as the first one, since we are going back to the main menu, the original message. We'll paste it below and we'll save the file, hit to Telegram. Now when we call the test command, you can see this is our main menu, and we can click our See Fruits List button, which will bring us to the fruits list, and we can click the back to menu button, which will bring us back to the main menu here. When the user sends the test command, the bot will send the main menu message to the user, and when the user clicks the See Fruits List button, it will send a callback query with the ID of fruits, and the callback query will be handled by our action method here. For fruits, it will delete the original message and it will send a new message with the fruits list. And when the user click the back to menu button, it will send a callback query with the data menu, and it will be handled here with the action method for menu, which will delete the fruits list and will send the main menu message here again. And this tool will be in a loop if the user continues using the same message buttons.